Welcome to MyTimetable, University of Amsterdam's new timetable website. In this introduction, we will give a short overview of all the features of the new website. It is possible to use this website as a guest, but to profit from all the personal timetable features, it's best to log in with your personal account. After logging on, you will be presented with a basic timetable based on the courses you enrolled for. It is possible that some courses are missing here, so always check the list of courses on the right side of your profile. You can add separate courses or study programs by using the Add button on the top right corner. You can add a single course timetable, a full study program timetable, or a staff member timetable. For example, for adding a course timetable, you select Add Course Timetable and you can now start writing the name of the course. It is also possible to filter on the faculty or study program. You can now add a course by selecting it and then hitting Add Course Timetables. The course will now be added to your personal profile and will be shown in your timetable. There are various options to further adjust your timetable to your personal situation. If you look at the menu on the right side of the screen, there's a list of courses. You can choose to deselect one of the courses to hide them from your timetable. Also, for certain courses, there are multiple activities, while some activities are only relevant for specific work groups. It is possible to set up a filter so you only have your personal groups in your schedule. To activate this filter, go to the button behind the course name and select Filter the activities of this module. You are now presented with the full list of activities for this course, and if you're, for example, in Group A, you can just select the activities that are relevant for Group A, and all the other activities will be hidden from your timetable. Within the interface, there are various options for viewing your timetable. First of all, there is a day view for a graphical representation of the schedule for your day. It is also possible to view a week view. This lists all the activities for the current week. It is possible that due to overlapping courses, not all information for a course can be shown. If you move your mouse cursor to the activity, it will expand and show all the relevant information. It is also possible to click through to more information about the location or information about the course in the study guide. It is also possible to get a month representation of your timetable. This will list all the activities for the upcoming month listed by day. If you prefer to have a list of your activities, you can also go to the list view. By default, this will show the upcoming activities for the next month in a list, but it is also possible to choose one of the predefined periods listed in the list box on the top right corner. Also in this view, it is possible to view the details for a course by selecting the title. This also presents you with an option to go to more information about the course's location or information in the study guide. Next to displaying your timetable on screen, the interface also provides various export options. To use them, choose the Export button in the top right corner. For example, it is possible to export your timetable to a PDF file that is printable. You can do that in a graphical week view, but also in a more textual list view. If you want to make an export, just select the option you prefer and select the date range you want to export. You can choose from some of the predefined periods or just choose a manual date range. Now, if you want to download the PDF file, just hit the Export Timetable button. The other four options provide a way of digitally exporting your timetable to your personal digital calendar. For example, it is possible to directly link your personal timetable to your University of Amsterdam Google Calendar account. You can do this by selecting the button in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will set up a synchronization between your personal timetable and your calendar, therefore keeping your timetable up to date all the time. If you prefer having your timetable synchronized to your personal agenda, that's also possible. You can use the iCalendar subscription function. Here, there are various ways of synchronizing to the various digital calendar programs. You can use this button to synchronize with Outlook, but also with Apple iCal or Google Calendar. It is also possible to set up synchronization with the various types of smartphones available. For specific instructions for your phone, please see the help page. It is also possible to make a one-time export to an iCalendar file. You can just select the period you want to export and hit Export Timetable. Please remember that these files won't be automatically updated, so it's always favorable to choose the iCalendar subscription. And lastly, there's also the comma-separated value file, which you can use if you want to use the data from your timetable for further processing in, for example, a spreadsheet program.